Could I interest you in some of my
What
wares?
is that man thinking?
For today only, I've decided to reduce prices on everything. Come, come. Yeah, come, come.
What a fool!
God save him. He's gone mad.
It was priceless!
Don't see what I've to offer.
Hey, you! What do you think you're doing?
He's going to run into someone.
Could I interest you in some of my wares?
Anything useful at the other merchant stores?
That won't happen here. And his army of infidels. They go against the will of God.
What is that
And
fool
must be
doing?
made to pay. Everywhere they ride, they leave only suffering in their wake. They say it is a crusade. A crusade for what? Ignorance? Violence? Madness?
Strange man.
Resist. We must
Did you see that?
Where is he going?
Has he lost his mind?
Why is he doing that?
You seem to know exactly what you want. I like that in a customer.
Hey, you! What do you think you're doing? He's going to cause trouble.
comes the English king and his infidel army. They leave horrors in their
Someone
wake.
should stop him before he hurts himself.
Al-Hadid rides to meet him. That each barbarous act might be avenged. Pray that God.
No, you don't understand. I have nothing.
Good day, my friend. If there's anything
I stand before you to deliver a warning.
Away with you.
Richard takes Jaffa.
Please, sir, have any money? No, please don't leave. Just a few coins, please.
Is there a reason for this nonsense?
My family's sick and dying. Could you spare a few coins?
see what you want. I like that in a customer.
He's
Are
going
you
to
blind?
cause trouble.
You want?
I am at your service.
Want a bargain? I'm your man. Come, come.
Like what you see? Something caught your eye? You, sir. You look...
Man is a murderer. Gosh!
You're a dead peasant kid!
So be it. This is a waste of time.
Over here.
that God, glorious and exalted is he, finds favor with us, that he may grant us victory. Praise be Salahadin! He has found the strength to stand in defense of our great civilization. Make no mistake, it is our very existence we are fighting for. The Israel King would see us all great.
Go away!
Your life
Infidel, die! Enter him! Faster! Die! Infidel! You'll never get away!
He's going to hurt himself. And when he does, I won't help him.
What is that man doing? Why would anyone want to?
You are not allowed to be here. Leave.
هل تحتاج شيئا ما؟
Ne boyuna emek istiyorsun? Get him! Get him! Kime boyuna emek istiyorsun? Geber kafir!
Neredesin? Evvelki sefer elimizden kurtuldu. Bu sefer kaçmasına izin vermeyelim.
أنا أعرفك الآن.
Gözünüzü dört açın, geri dönecek.
الموت للكافر. حسنا، خير جدا. لا
Turn back now.
It's forbidden for you to be here.
What is that fool doing?
Pay for your
That man is a murderer!
This won't be too difficult.
That man is a murderer!
I have everything you'll ever need.
We just did.
With never finding anything useful at the other merchants.
Somebody,
That won't
please
happen
help
here.
me!
What is he doing?
Sorun çıkartacak.
The fires of war and thousands of
I will get you!
the tragedy.
Have your head!
Geber kafir! Kime boyun eğmek istiyorsun?
What happened?
God save us! Infidel! I'll take you down!
Someone should stop.
Save me!
Such a shame. What's this?
What happened?
What happened to this poor soul?
Where is the one responsible?